Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will share how to upload intro video in your membership pictures. Please watch this video until the end. Thank you. Go to your YouTube channel and click Customize Channel. Click here this arrow and please scroll down a little bit. And you will see here on sign the $sign. So click there and you will see memberships. Click on memberships and you will see here add intro video. Click on add. You have to select an intro video. Click here. Click on select intro video. Find or charge a intro video. So here I will choose this one. Join this channel that I have created, and then you will click here. Tick I confirm that in this area. Click. Then you have to click confirm. You have to publish, save and publish. So click OK. Now you can see your intro video for the membership channel. So I will show you how can you see. So now let's see. Click on join. Click on join button. Then you will see here automatically the intro video is here that I have added the intro video. Alright guys, I hope now you know how to upload intro video in the membership channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell. Thank you for watching.